Welcome to today's video. So this video is going to blow your mind. It blew my mind when I found out exactly how this method works. But more importantly, with this method, we don't need skills, we don't need any experience, and you don't need any money. So I'll share with you how this method works. We'll go over this whole concept step by step, and then I'll show you how you can speed up the entire process and get a big jump on lots of people who are doing this. And this will all make sense as we go through the video, but please watch until the end because you don't want to miss the end part, because that is where we go over speeding up this whole process, because it will save you so much time and effort if you are going to go down this route of making money online. And the great thing about this whole method is it can actually bring you in a passive income, like a legitimate passive income. And we'll look at the numbers and the other bits in a second, okay? So let's start right at the beginning with this. So for this method, we're coming over onto Etsy, okay? Now you can use Etsy, you can use other marketplaces as well. But I like to come on here and look at this for numbers. And what I mean by that is, you can see over here in the search bar, I have just typed in Bible activity pages. Now I am not religious, I'm not religious or trying to profit from religion or anything like that. This was just when I was doing some research for home education. My son's home educated. Was doing a bit of research and I came across these over here. So we've got Bible activity pages, and you can see there's 110 people a month searching for this. And then I just went down this rabbit hole, okay? So then I started typing, different things. But you can see on here, look, Bible covers, 18,000, Bible tabs, verses, sketches. But look at all of the numbers here, 27,100 people a month are searching for a journal, wall art, all of these different things on here. I'll show you another one which was really interesting. It was word search. Look at this, 6,000 people a month are searching for a Bible word search, which well, it was surprising to me, to say the least, okay? So a Bible word search, 6,000 people a month. Then we'll come down here, look, Bible word search printable, 480 people a month. This one here for kids, 600 a month, okay? So I'll just click on any one of these. So let's just go with this one. And we'll have a look at this. Then I'll show you how you can do this, but then more importantly, I'll show you how you can speed up this entire process. So let's hit on the go bar up here. And we can scroll down. You can see it on here. Now, these are things, these printables. The great thing about these is it doesn't take long to create these. Once you've done the work once, you upload this, these onto Etsy, and then you can move on to the next one. And I'll share some examples of this with you. But if we look at, scroll down here, we can see, look, Bible word search for kids and adults, and this gets 10, and you can see they're charging £3.14. Now, I'm in the UK, so it's UK pricing. So that's a little over $4 for a printable that somebody has created one time and uploaded onto Etsy. And there's lots more examples in here. Look, 100 word searches, £12. And there's lots of things in here. So when I was doing a bit of research into this, I'm just going to type in another one. I'm going to type in Bible. Let's go with word search printable, like this. And let's have a look at, in fact, let me go with this one. Let's go with Bible activity pack. Activity pages, look, 110 people, Bible activities for kids. There's so much in here, it's crazy. And literally, this is the same in any category, any niche that you go into. So we can see all of these different ones on here and look at them. If you look at them, I mean, like colouring pages and all of these sorts of things, these are not hard to create. And I'll show you how to create these the slow way, and then I'll show you the fast way, okay? So when I was doing some of this research, I came across this shop over here. They've got, as you can see on here, they've got 9,000 sales in the shop. That's completed sales within the shop, not just this item over here, okay? And literally, what do you get here? Look, you can see on the right hand side, it's a digital download and it's a PDF. So you get one PDF for buying this product for £3.14, so about $4. And you can see over here, it's literally, you download this and you cut these out yourself. And what are they? Well, on one page here, they've got We Worship God, and on this page here, they've got little pictures, and then the same over here. So they've got some text and an image over here. Okay, it's not that difficult to create this. Now let's go over here and I'll show you this really quickly. So if I click on their shop, like so, we've got into here and you can see 9,000 sales up here. Scroll down, you can see all of the items in their shop, and the prices range anywhere from, as you can see over here, £31, £8 and £4. And if you scroll down again, you can see they're literally bouncing all over the place, okay? But they're earning a lot of money from this shop, okay? And you can even nosy on different shops as well, because what you can do is, if you scroll down to the bottom and you can see reviews, you can see when they've had their latest review and the actual product which they've sold. So in this example, it's this articles of faith matching, this one, and come down. So you can see, you know, what is selling in a shop and what people are leaving feedback for. And obviously you can see here, all 5 stars. They're really happy with this. I Spy pages and all of this, okay? So how would you create printables like these for free? Well, there is this piece of software. I'll leave it down below for you. It's called Canva. And how it works is you can come into Canva over here and you can just click on create a design. Now, whenever I do this, we go this here, width 1063 via the height, which is 1375. And we just click on create a new design. It opens up into a new tab, okay? Let me click on here, get rid of this. So here, essentially, would be our printable. So if we come back over here, but honestly, when I show you the fast method, you'll see why I recommend it and I use this myself. So we've got colouring pages, we've got word searches, we've also got this over here that we've just looked at. Let me go back. What was this one again? This one over here, articles of God. So if I wanted to create something like this, it's really simple, okay? So I'm going to go with this. What is this? I'm going to go with that one, okay? So I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to come to elements and I'm just going to type in church. Like so. And there we go. I've got a church. Okay, so I click on there. Now I'm going to expand it like so. Pretty happy with that. And I'm not going to mess around. So now I'm just going to click on duplicate page. So now I've got page 2. So let me get rid of that. And then if I go back to their listing, we can see over here, they've got different, you know, different text on here. Gift of the Holy Christ and all of this. Okay, what I've got, we worship God. So if I come back into here, so that is the first one. Now I'd need some text. So on the left hand side, I come over here to text. You can see it's really simple. I come over here to text. And we've got all of these different fonts that we can use if we want. But I'm just going to click on add a heading. Okay. And I'm just going to type in, we worship God. Like this. And again, I'm doing this really quickly for the sake of the video. Now that goes there. Okay. Now, if we go back over to this one over here, this one, you can see they've got the different, you know, different fonts going on. So we change our font. So if I come back over here and I come up to here, I can now change that font. So if I wanted something a bit different, I click on it and it changes. And again, you can just scroll down and click on any of these like you like the look of. And again, what you can also do is you can change the colour of this up here. So you click on there. Let's say you wanted it in this sort of reddy colour here. And you know, you thought, this needs to be a bit more red. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to drag this over here like so. In fact, I'm going to take this like that. Okay, and if you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. If you want to make it bigger, etc. And you can drag it around the page wherever you want. But basically, this is it. This is literally the process. So we'd have that one, and then I would literally move on to the next one. So I would click on here, duplicate page, I'd go back over to the listing, and then they've got on here, they've got Holy Ghosts and all of these different sorts of things on here. So I'm just going to type in, I'm just going to come back over here. What's that? Picture of the world. Let's go back over here, see if we can find one like that. I'm going to come on here, and I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to come up here to elements, and I'm going to type in world. Like this, okay? And then again, look, we've got all of these different graphics. I can go along here and select any of these. So if I wanted, like say, this, well, this one here is Pro, so this is not available on the free one, but this one is. So let's scroll across and let's have a look at some more. So you can come down and have a look at these. So look, if I wanted that one, I click on that. And again, all I'm doing is I'm expanding it out like this. Straightforward and simple, okay? Really simple process, okay, as you've seen over here. And all we're doing is we are literally looking at existing products on Etsy, which are proven to be selling now, and they are getting sales. And once you've done all of this, and once you're happy with this design over here, sorry, this one over here, once you've gone through this, you simply come up here and you click on share. You come down here to download, you right click on here, and you don't want this as a PNG, you scroll down to PDF, well, PDF for print, best for printing. You click on there, and then you click on download. Once you've got your download, then you go over to Etsy, like so. You come over to Etsy, and you literally upload your Etsy design. And here's a cool thing. Again, I will drop a link to this down below for you. It's a free link, and literally it allows you to open up an Etsy shop, and it gives you, I think, 40 listings completely for free. The flip side to that is it's not an affiliate link, but I also get 40 free listings as well, so it's win-win. So you've got your PDF, you've got your 40 free listings on Etsy, then it comes to the upload process, and on here all we're doing is we upload an image of our printable. On the right hand side here, you give it a description. So if I scroll down, you can see exactly what this is. So, you know, have a look at what other sellers are doing, put the information on here. Don't copy it, but write something similar. And basically, once this is done, you then upload this to Etsy. Straightforward and simple. And look, we've looked at this in the past. We've not looked at Bibles, but we've looked at different things like let me come over here, I'll show you some other examples we have also looked at in the past. We have looked at what have we looked at? We looked at baby shower printables like this. And again, look at this, baby shower printables, 7,000 people a month are searching for this. We've looked at word searches, we've looked at maths worksheets, and lots more. But all of these sorts of things that you can see on here, you can create these inside of this software here, Canva, and it's absolutely free. Just takes a little bit of time and effort. Now, if you're like me and you want to speed up the whole process, there are different softwares available for you. In fact, over on the website over here, I've wrote an article previously with lots of different softwares. Yeah, oh no, not that one. This one here, look, the best software for making printables. Believe it or not, there's a number of softwares available, and they're all incredibly cheap, whereby you pay a one-time fee, you buy a software, and then you can literally take out all of the headache and the hassle of, you know, having to create these things yourself manually. Now, I'll drop a link to this article down below for you. You can go through and have a look at this. There is, from memory, about 10 different softwares in here. I update it whenever we get a new one, you see. So you can see on here, look, softwares to create printables. So scroll down here, we have got this one here, Crispy Prints. I'll show you that one in a second. But then there's also many more, literally lots more. There's this one over here where you can create kids puzzle books. There is Puzzle Book Mastery. There's another one which is where you can create kids math printables, really simple. Colouring books. And literally the great thing about these softwares is on your sort of work, if you want to call it that, it's very, very minimal. And you, in a day, I mean, even if you had an hour a day to do this method and you was using one of these softwares, you could easily create at least 20 listings, easy, using these softwares. And you might be saying, well, that's easy for you. Well, I'll show you. So if I come over here, this is inside of one of the softwares. It's called Crispy Print. You can see here it's got lots of training in the beginning, so how to create, you know, lots of lots of printables, how to go onto Etsy, how to set up your own website if you want, using Pinterest, and lots more. But I'll show you this really quickly. On the left hand side, you've got all of these different categories. So baby shower bundles, couples, busy book, certificate, Bible. You can see road trip, Easter bear, etc. There's lots of different things in here. As you can see, it goes down and it gets updated all of the time. So in this example, this Bible bundle here, I click on here, and all we have to do is, it's a 3-step process. So watch how quick this is. Step 1 is, you see here, you need to upload an image on here. Okay, so all you do is you click on, grab the template here, and then it gives you this downloadable template. You take that template over here to Canva. In fact, let me do this. This is the template here, the background. So let me just move this. So look, theme character goes here. So all I did in this example here is I came over to Elements, I typed in Bible, and I grabbed that and I put it down there in the bottom right hand corner, and then I just click on there and remove the template, and then I download this image here, which is basically a blank sheet with a Bible on. Okay, I think we can agree that's pretty straightforward. It takes about 10 seconds. Once I've done that and I upload my image to here, step 2 is choose the header color. So you can choose a different color, you can customize it. And then step 3 is you select your prints. And you can see in here, there's lots of different ones. We've got a Bible word search, unscrambled scripture, Bible trivia, all of these different things over here. So you upload your image, choose your color, select which one you want, and you can pick them all. So if you want to pick them all, you just simply click on all of them like this, or you can literally pick a couple of these. So you click on them like so, so decide which ones you want. I'd probably say just go with all of them, and then you click on create bundle, and it literally takes a few seconds. Now, in fact, I'll show you now. Let me go on here. Let's see if I can do this really quickly for you. So I come here, go to desktop, scroll down, and I'm going to this one, and you can see on, oh no, not that one. Let me come on here again, sorry. I'm going to go to downloads. Oh yeah, there you go, Bible test. I'm going to click on there, and it goes in there. So there is my image from over here with the Bible in. Okay, straightforward and simple. Pick your color, select your print. So I'll just pick, let's just go with Bible scavenger hunt, and let's just go with color the cross. Okay, for now. Then we click on create bundle. Then you get this pop-up and it says, basically, don't close this tab. But literally, I did this before the video, and it literally took about a minute, and this is the one it created for me before the video. So you can see on here, trace and colour. So this here could be a printable, and then there is the Bible. Scroll down here, then look, I've got a complete word search. Then I come down here, I've got Bible trivia, and then I've got colour with blessings. Again, you can see we've got our image. And there is the one that we've just created a second ago. We've got the scavenger hunt here, and then colour with blessings, this one down here. So the great thing about these softwares, as you can see, you can play around with them. So for example, here you can see it's just a white background with this book. If I wanted to change it on Canva, let's say I wanted a different colour background, I just click on there, click on yellow, and then I would have a unique printable created over here with our image down here and a yellow background. And you can play around with it until your heart's content. But as you can see over here, this software, it speeds up the process. It's incredibly easy to use it, and it's just a numbers game. So we go ahead, we create this one, we download it, we upload it onto Etsy, and then you can move on to the next one. And as you've seen, because we can customize the background and the image down here, you could have a number of Bible activity books on Etsy, different colors, different images, different backgrounds. Then you could move on to the next one, and you could do a different color and a different image. But this Bible here, what the method, the topic that we've gone with here, there's lots more inside of here. You've got baby showers on here, couples, busy book bundle, there's loads. But the concept is always the same. You upload your image, you pick a colour, select your prints, and then that's it, done. So look, I'll leave a link to this. In fact, what I will do is I'll leave a link to this article for you where I did a full review on this software. You can check it out. You can see how much it is, what's included with this. And it's an awesome piece of software to make money online. So look, that's today's video. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.